visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello po, so welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading, no? So, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. I want you to know that this is a general reading, and this is a timeless reading, no? So you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, meron ditong taong miss na miss ka or probably miss na miss mo. You can switch the energies ha because what I'm reading here is the dynamic. Pwede naman to magpalit yung role, no? With no place like home, going the distance and yeah. I feel like meron ditong physical separation, like literally, malayo, no? Sa isa't isa. I feel like yung iba nasa ibang lugar pa nga or ibang bansa, no? Gusto nang umuwi dahil it could be homesick, no? But with the yan, para kasing hindi ko rin, sabi natin kung gusto ko na magtrabaho sa ibang lugar, no? Or gusto kong pumunta sa ibang lugar. For some reason, it could be studying, again, trabaho. It could be just, nandun yung aking mga kamag-anak and I need to be there. Siyempre gusto ko rin naman, no? However, hindi ko gusto na iwan ka. So merong longing, merong I am missing you. No, with the yang in here parang in layman's term, no, taing-tain na ako na makita ka, taing-tain na ako na makausap ka, taing-tain na ako na mahahawakan ka at marinig ko yung boses mo. Makita ka in person, no? Um, gusto ko na rin, you know, ma ma-feel, no, ang iyong katawan sa aking katawan. Ayan. So with the full card, the Six of Swords and the Three of Wands. So ang nakikita natin dito, parang may age gap, no? Ang age gap dito, well, it can be a May-December love affair. It may not be, baka konti lang yung gap. But if we're not talking about the numbers, no, sa edad, we may be talking about the maturity of the person. Pero para sa inyo, it doesn't matter against all odds, itong relationship natin, no? Wala silang pakialam, wala tayong pakialam sa kanila, kaya may sinasabi sila, I don't care, no? Parang meron pa nga dito, well, pasok natin ang LGBTQIA+ relationship kasi most of the judgment is nga experience ng LGBTQIA+ relationship, no? With the Six of Swords clarified by the Nine of Cups and the Four of Pentacles. So, parang matagal din nating pinagdasal, itong relationship na ito, ma-experience itong relationship na ito with that person, no? Parang inalagaan nating mabuti, masyado nating iningatan, pinagtanggol. But I am seeing with the full card in here, naging mapusok din tayo, no? Mamaya ako na ito babasahin, tumalon eh. So, this is what we call the jumper card. Literally, tumalon. This is a Two of Cups, which is napakaganda din naman. Pero hindi pa ako tapos. Excited naman. Excited yung energy mo, tumatalon agad. So with the full card, so ang nakikita kasi natin dito, no, we took the risk, no? Kahit ang dami-daming sinasabi ng madlang people, so what? I took the risk, buntot ko, hila ko, no? Um, I feel like for a few numbers of you, lumipat nga ng lugar, no? Together with the person, but I need to go back there to where I came from, no? But with the two of cups, so nandito pa rin yung love, no? So we can say that this relationship may be separated because of the circumstances. It may not be a good circumstances because of what social norms. It may not be, or it may be separated by religions, all the taboos, no? Hindi ko na iisa-isahin. The taboos are races, what? Diba kasi merong mga lahi na dapat kalahi ko lang, no? Someone goes against the flow, no? Against the tradition. Tradition, yan yung mga taboo yan no? Hindi yung pampaligo So those are the topics na medyo um, unredacted, no? Mahirap i-tackle. It should be classified nga dapat with the eight of cups. So parang itong relasyon na ito is hindi lang relasyon mo at ni person. So merong mga taong involved dito, no? So what I'm trying to say is probably family members. It can also be that someone don't like you, friends, no? O friends, ba't naman kayo nakikialam? Well, that makes sense. Probably, baka meron nakikita si friends na ayaw sa'yo or ayaw ng friends mo sa kanya, no? Again, you can switch the energies. What I am reading here is the dynamic, no? With the Four of Wands and the Judgment. So parang sinunod, no? Sinunod itong mga third party. We can call them third party already because involved sila sa relasyon, and usually the third party is the cause of the separation. So third party, it may not be a romantic third party, but it's still a third party. The Ace of Wands, the King of Wands, and the Seven of Swords. Naku, parang medyo masakit ito, no? That I'm not sure of kung meron ditong, kasi meron nga mga chwari-wap, no? May mga third party nga na parang mga bubuyog na bulong na bulong. Bubuyog, sabihin natin mga parang mga buwan, no? Damunyo, yan. Mga damunyo na bulong ng bulong sa person mo, merong ipinakilala. So, I feel like something happened in them. So someone here probably committed not really a crime. Hindi mo naman matatawag tong crime. Crime when it comes to um, in the name of love, no, that would be a crime. Pero I feel like yung nakagawa ng kasalanan dahil uh, because of kamunduhan. So, bakit nahirap akong sabihin? YouTube naman to. So, nakipag-sex. Na sa YouTube kasi medyo okay. So, nasanay akong sa TikTok and Facebook. So, medyo dapat banayad, no? Kaya siguro, pag YouTube, pasok din sa lahat eh, no? So, with the Ace of Wands, so nakipag-sexy person, um, I feel like medyo nakukonsent siya. The Three of Cups and the Ace of Goblets, yun lang. The Ace of Goblets may represent reproductive organ, and also the Ace of Wands. This is a phallic card. This may also represent uterus, no? So parang pakiwari natin na one time, big time, no? Either napikot, pinikot, nagpapikot, what have you, ayan na. So, instead na maayos sana yung relasyon dahil nakinig at um, nagpatukso. So, things got complicated, no? With the lovers and the seven of pentacles. So, I feel like you're still waiting for the person. Ano yata ito? For a few numbers of you, ha? This might be a continuation of our reading yesterday. Let me know in the comment section. Pero someone is still waiting, for their person to arrive, to show up, no? Pero I don't know kung you have an idea if your person probably did something behind your back and had sex with someone. Or probably you just feel it deep inside your heart. So yeah, that is your reading for now. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I just want you to know na sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Kung gusto nyo magtanong, nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, Gemini, Pisces, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Leo, um, Virgo, Cancer, Aries, Pisces, Libra. Yeah, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod
Predicting
na reading.
future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am Daphne, also known as Papa Island. Standing in my own